joining. Hi Sheenu, hi Seema ji, hi Jyotna ji, hi Ritu ji, hi Pratibha ji, hi Naina. Thank you Sheenu. Thanks all of you for joining. Hi Sunaina. Hi. Hello Neetal ji. Hi Shruti ma'am. Hello Sanjay ji. Hi Preeti. Ranjit Kaur ji. So good to be amongst all of you today. It's immense, so I look forward to your love and support, everybody. Let's all congratulate Footprint with Mridula on turning. Let's wish that it grows and prospers day by day. Hi Mridula ma'am. Hi Ruchi ma'am. Hi Ruchika ji. Footprint with Mridula has made a huge difference in our lives. Our mornings have become all the more beautiful and meaningful. The constant hard work by the team in uplifting all of us is commendable. As the birthday celebrations start from today, 5 live sessions, and in the coming 5 days. And along with this, there would be a lucky winner every night who shall get 3,500 free from the healer of the day. Thank you ma'am. Thank you Mridula ma'am. Thanks for. Thank you very much ma'am. Now I would like this session by expressing my gratitude towards my Guru, Yogi Buddhadev, my mentor, my guide. My heartfelt thanks to Mridula for polishing me, for giving me this such big opportunity to be amongst you all today. I would also like to thank my soul sisters, Sunaina U. Nargis and Sheenu Aliwalia, for pushing me out of my shell and for encouraging me, motivating me, and for making me a better version of myself. Today I shall talk about mobile numbers and how they impact our lives. अजीब लगता है ना कि how can mobile numbers affect our lives और इनकी क्या importance है हमारी life में? Well, as numerology study of numbers, it says that all the numbers around leave an impact on our lives. So before I get started, I would request all of you to write down your mobile numbers. अपने मोबाइल नंबर्स तो हम सबको याद होंगे. Last 3 digits को just add them and bring to a total. हमारे मोबाइल नंबर्स एक्चुअली हमारे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं. आज की डेट में हम अपने फोन्स पे वी आर शॉपिंग ऑन आवर फोन्स. हम अपने फोन्स पे चिट चैट कर रहे हैं. हम अपने फोन्स पे अपने पुराने नए फ्रेंड्स के साथ कनेक्ट हो रहे हैं, बिल्स पे कर रहे हैं, ऑनलाइन कोर्स. इसको कैसे इग्नोर कर सकते हैं? तो इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस को समझते हैं और इस पे बात करते हैं. ओके, सो आई होप आपने फोन के लास्ट 3 डिजिट्स को ऐड कर लिया है. एंड इफ यू कुड जस्ट पुट इट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स फॉर मी टू डिसाइड कि आप यू रीचिंग टू अ नंबर. Yes Swati, very good. 933 total of 6. a single number which is 3. Sheena Malik 100, so it comes out to be 1. So easy to calculate. So now I would like to talk about 1 to 9. I can see that all of you are able to reach out to a single number. That's very good. Thank you, Sanena. So number 1, of a very strong number, and it adds to the energy of your energy, and it helps you in influencing others. This number is beneficial for people who are in business and who are professionals. It gives you a very direct and a very straightforward approach, way of communication. You end up, the person having this number ends up receiving calls, and people mostly call him seeking some guidance, some advice, and some information. So this number is all about initiatives and ideas. Number 2 is all about being a listener, all about being a counselor, which is actually the need of the hour right now. This number is perfect for people who are looking for soulmates, and this is a very romantic number. So it releases qualities like gentleness, kindness, tact, discretion. It is suitable for people having very strong personalities. People in sales would be getting amazing this number. Also, it will be fruitful for people who agents or brokers. Now we'll come. Number 3 is number of creativity and vision. This number deals with all those people who are into artistic fields, who are into creative fields. So all kind of artists, actors, professional performers, and writers, even teachers. This number inspires. It gives you originality and fame. And people having this number, the owners, they have a fun-filled way of communication. They have an enthusiastic style. They have enthusiastic energy. Number 4 is stable and reliable. So it is most apt for people who are associated with banking institutions, law firms, and more. If you are the head of the family, और अगर आपके last 3 digits का total 4 आता है, तो सोने पे सुहागा. Number 5 is all about adventure and change. Yes, Minnie, you have to add last 3 digits and bring it to a single number. So number 5 is all about adventure and change. If you have 5 as the sum total of the last 3 digits, then you get ready for a roller coaster ride. Because for people who love freedom, who love to travel, like tourism people, advertising people, they would get benefit. You will get constant work, and you will benefit from education. Now we come on to number 6. Number 6 is best number for family oriented people. It represents care, responsibility, love. This is strengthening the bonds, the familial ties. It is also beneficial for people business purposes. Healers get amazing results with this number. Great results for HR people. It somewhere gets you family and friends support. Number 8, I missed number 7. I'll move on to number 7 now. Number 7 is a very strong and a mystic number. It attracts spiritual and philosophical messages, ideas, people, friends, all sort of spiritual people around you. People who are students, who are into some, who are great seekers, great thinkers, has a very positive effect on your intellect and wisdom. It helps in your life. It also brings success through connection. And your mobile is full of only sensible data. Number 8 is most successful for people, for business people, as it attracts wealth and fortune. Not only this, it helps in increasing the confidence of your partner in you. It is suitable for people who are very ambitious, as it has a positive effect on career and financial situation. It has the power to bring great riches to your life. Last but not the least, number 9. Number 9 is all about helping out, reaching out to others, uplifting others, being there for others. It is suitable for people who stand tall for a cause or for people. It is beneficial for people who are into healthcare and charity. And people with this number receive lots of calls asking for some help, for some charity, for some advice. So friends, I hope you could relate to these numbers as per your number. Now I would request you to just put the last digit of your mobile numbers in the, you will just write the last digit of your number in the comment box, because let's all together seek angels' guidance and see what's in store for all of us, what's the messages from. And in case your last number is 0, put the accompanying number. So Sunena, you were quick enough. So we have number 3 on our way. So let's see what's in store for us from the angels today. Sunena, are telling me that new doors are opening for you. You need to keep the faith to walk through the new doors, because your life would be taking a great leap once you move. You need to walk through the doors. You just need to have faith. Your life is going for a great energy shift. So congratulations. 3. Seema, you need to focus on your blessings. You are enriched and you are being blessed by angels. Keep a tab on what all blessings you are. Just count all the blessings. Of all these blessings, small and big. Because once we focus on our blessings, we attract all the more blessings. Mini Chaudhary, 6 and 3. How come 2 numbers? Please give me one number, your last number, so it will be easy for me. Yes, Nana, number is 600, so it would be 6. It would be 6 definitely. For Nana, 6 number. Nana, you need to have faith in God, because whatever you plan is becoming possible, is getting the go ahead. So you just have to keep your focus. You are getting what you are planning, what you are asking for from the day. Shinu, 8. Shinu, this is the time to focus. And also you need to be so that you can hear what God is telling you. You need to hear to your inner voice. So pay attention. You will be getting the results. Ruchi ma'am, people, it is moving very fast, so in case I miss your number, please send it again. Number 9 for Ruchi ma'am. Ruchi ma'am, this is a time of completion. What all started, the cycle is coming to a finish, and there's new cycle going to start. You can look forward to something new in your life. You have the strength within you. You have the ability to judge. You just have to see which way you need to go, which way to start to for a new beginning. Rakhi Baba. Yes, you just need to put the last number of your mobile number. Just last digit of your mobile number in the comment box. Sheena Malik, 1. Sheena, you need to honor your uniqueness. You need to keep away your self-doubts, because you are a born leader and your uniqueness is what the world has actually sensed. Now you also need to keep your self-doubts away and honor your uniqueness. Jyotsna, 5 for me. ज्योत्सना, इज इट कि बाहर जाने का बहुत दिल कर रहा है, थोड़ा सा बाहर घूमने का दिल कर रहा है, क्योंकि थोड़े से एडवेंचरस होने का मन कर रहा है, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली वी हैव बीन मिसिंग ऑल दिस थोड़े टाइम से, बट राइट नाउ वो सब थोड़ा पॉसिबल नहीं है बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉकडाउन गोइंग ऑन. जितनी रिलैक्सेशंस मिली हैं उसमें हम इतना बाहर नहीं निकल सकते, बट मे बी यू कैन स्पेंड मोर टाइम विद योर प्लांट्स इन योर गार्डन. So maybe that would be very nice, a nice change for you now. You're looking for some change actually. Okay, Mini, you used 2 numbers. Okay, so now you need to put the numbers again because I have missed those. Ayush, 1 for Ruchika ji. आयुष, थोड़ा सा आपको अपने अंदर की कुछ आपको फील हो रहा है कि यू नीड टू मेक अ चेंज, नीड टू ब्रिंग अ चेंज, यू नीड टू स्ट्रेंथन योर विल पावर. टाइम पे यू नीड टू बी लिटिल मोर पीसफुल, बिकॉज अभी मुझे लग रहा है कि आपके अंदर बहुत बहुत रही हैं, तो उसमें आप एक्चुअली चीज़ों को बहुत क्लियरली नहीं देख पा रहे. थोड़ा सा शांत होके बैठिए एंड मे बी देन थिंग्स वुड बी विजिबल. आपको ज़्यादा क्लैरिटी से चीज़ें नज़र आएंगी. बिकॉज देयर इज समथिंग, डेफिनेटली समथिंग न्यू बिगनिंग फॉर यू. बट अभी आप थोड़े से पे क्लैरिटी नहीं आ रही आपको. सो ट्राई. संजय जी, आप कुछ ब्यूटी से डील करते हुए कुछ काम ऐसा कुछ करते हैं, या इज इट समथिंग विच कुछ ऐसा काम है जो आपके लेट्स से कुछ ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स या कुछ डिजाइनिंग वगैरह से डील करते हैं? बिकॉज आप एज द कार्ड सेज यू हैव मेड अ गुड नेम इन योर बिजनेस and you will be prospering in this further. So there is good news. Preeti Verma Madan, 7 for my husband. Preeti, you would need to put his name also, please. Your husband's name. Khanna, 9 Sunil. वन्ना जी, सुनील जी काफ़ी ब्रदरहुड में और काफ़ी विश्वास रखते हैं. बिकॉज आई कैन सी दैट उनके देयर इज अ न्यू पार्टनर कमिंग अप. उनको कुछ एक सपोर्टिंग हेल्प मिलने वाली है इन नियर फ्यूचर, अपने काम में या अपनी लाइफ में. मतलब देयर इज समथिंग कमिंग जो उनको बहुत हेल्प करेंगे अपलिफ्ट करने में. उनको bringing some great rewards. So that is a very good card. Thank you, Sunaina. Thanks for the blessing. और जसवी रुचिका जी, 7. Ruchika ji, Ojasvi has the light in her. She has the fire in her. The time for her to work on her personal growth, because उसको वो ही अपनी है, उसको बाकी सबको दिखा सकती है, बाहर लेके आ सकती है. सो शी नीड्स टू वर्क ऑन ग्रोथ. प्रीति वर्मा, राइट द लास्ट नंबर ऑफ योर मोबाइल नंबर. यस प्रीति. स्वाति 3. यस स्वाति. अपनी क्रिएटिविटी को थोड़ा सा और एनहांस करो. यू नीड टू एक्सप्रेस योर सेल्फ वेल विद योर क्रिएटिविटी एंड लेट द वर्ल्ड नो दैट, वर्ल्ड सी दैट. थैंक यू रुचि मैम. थैंक यू रुचिका जी. 1. Sasha, this is the time when you need to अपनी independently आप अपना and you have the light in you. You just need more on it, because this is the time when आप independently अपने काम पे you can start with it. So great going for you. Number 2. अक्षप्रीत जी, आप जो भी काम उसमें थोड़ी सी अपनी कमिटमेंट बढ़ा दें, थोड़ा सा जस्ट 100% तक खींच के लेके आए. बिकॉज आप अच्छा कर रहे हैं, बट आप जब उसकी क्वालिटी को और, तो उससे एक आपको एक अर्थली रिवॉर्ड्स तो मिलेंगे ही, एक जो सेटिस्फैक्शन लेवल इट विल बी गिविंग यू, that will be immense. You're doing a great job. Tejinder 8. Tejinder, for the ambition you have in you, to fulfill that ambition, you need to use your judgment well. You have the strength within you, you have the capability to judge well. बस अपने वो सेल्फ डाउट्स को हटा दीजिए एंड अपनी जजमेंट पे, फेथ इन योर जजमेंट, किसी भी प्रेशर में मत आइए, बिकॉज यू हैव इट इन यू. ट्रस्ट योर जजमेंट. सरताज, you can send, so I need to send number of my mobile phone? Yes, you have the last digit of your mobile phone, please. Ruchi ji, Suhina 7. रुचि जी, सुहीना को मे बी शी इज फीलिंग, क्या वो किसी चीज से डर रही है, डिस्करेज्ड टू गो हेड इन सम, कुछ ऐसा जो वो उसको पर्सनल लेवल पे उसको डर लग रहा है. तो शी नीड्स नॉट टू वरी, शी नीड्स नॉट टू बी अफ्रेड और डिस्कस. इट्स अ ह्यूज शिफ्ट coming her way, which will be very, very good for her. Some new change is coming in her life, and she needs not to be. People, be with me till the end, because we'll finish, before finishing, guide you to a small and a very beautiful meditation. So I would request you all to stay back with me till the end. Mini Chaudhary 6. Sorry. Mini V, you need to honor your uniqueness. You need to shed away all your self-doubts, love and add love and care to that, and you need to honor your uniqueness. जब तक अपनी uniqueness को honor नहीं करेंगे, we can't expect the others to honor us. You have it in you. You just have to honor it. Just shed away all your self-doubts. You're doing great. Sandhya Iyer Prakash. My husband is 7 and mine is 2. Sandhya, I'm reading for you 2 number, and for your husband you need to give his name, please. कुछ ऐसा हुआ है जिसने आपको थोड़ा वे डाउन कर दिया है, थोड़ा सा परेशान. Don't worry, you have the capability to bounce back, so nothing. Preeti Verma 7, Neeraj. So 7 for Neeraj. नीरज जी, आप ज्यादा थोड़ा ऐसा तो नहीं है कि थोड़ा अंदर अंदर रह रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा हो रहे हैं, बिकॉज थोड़ा सा लोनलीनेस आपको ज्यादा पसंद. थोड़ा सा बाहर निकलिए, थोड़ा सा अपने फोन पे कनेक्ट कीजिए, सोशल मीडिया पे कनेक्ट कीजिए, तो लाइफ इज ग्रेट. प्रमोद 4, डेफिनेटली मैम. Pramod sir, is it something which is holding you back, holding some grudge, या कुछ hurt है जो मन में बिठाए बैठे हैं थोड़ा सा? तो ऐसा कीजिए कि अपने आप को भी forgive कीजिए और सामने वाले को भी forgive कीजिए, because आप थोड़ा सा, जब वो weight निकल जाएगा उसको drop कीजिए फॉरगिव खुद को भी, करने वाले को भी कीजिए, तो इट विल बी ईजी फॉर यू टू मूव अहेड इन लाइफ. थिंग्स आर वेल इन प्लेस. वंदना जी, you're welcome. Nishu, 2 for me. In case I miss any of your number, please type again because it's moving too fast for me. Okay. So Nishu, somebody entering your life, somebody entering your, maybe you are going in for some partnership, business, or somebody coming in your life, or something who would gift you light in your life. जो एक आप एक थोड़ा सा हिला बैठे हैं, maybe somebody is entering, maybe something, some new work is entering, या some कुछ प्रोजेक्ट, कुछ भी something like that, कुछ नया आ रहा है आपकी लाइफ में to keep you busy. महक शर्मा, अमन 3. Is it like महक अभी आप थोड़ा सा लो फील कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज ऐसा नहीं है कि लाइफ इज नॉट दैट गिविंग. द ओनली थिंग इज कि यू हैव टू मेक बेस्ट ऑफ एवरी सिचुएशन. यू हैव टू मेक द बेस्ट ऑफ एवरी सिचुएशन. और ये मत भूलिए कि रोम वॉज नॉट बिल्ट इन अ सिंगल डे. बेबी स्टेप्स यू नीड टू. आप बड़ी छलांग मार के, इट्स नो पॉइंट, because your baby steps would be all the more strong foundations for you. So things are moving ahead in your life. Baby steps लेने की जरूरत है अभी right now. Karmanjeet 2. Karman, somebody is entering your life. If you are single, maybe in your love life. If you are into business, maybe a partner, and something who would bring joy to your life. Ankit 3, Seema Babaji, Ankit 3. It's a beautiful card for Ankit. He has the inner potential. He has the fire in him. He needs to just bright it. He just needs to light it and bring out the brightness. जो अपने अंदर की उनके अंदर एक fire है. He needs to light it and bring it out. So time to work on yourself. Seema ji, you need to give the name of, okay, for my son Rachit 3. Okay. Seema ji, is it कि आपका बेटा आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा सोशल मीडिया पे बहुत ज़्यादा बिजी रह रहा है? Because he needs to walk away from illusions. Illusions हैं, चल रही हैं उनकी लाइफ में. So he needs to walk out of those so that he can walk towards truth and the right way. थोड़ा सा सोशल मीडिया से उनको थोड़ा कम करने को बोलिए. Paranita 3. Lots of people with last number. This is what this is saying is that you have the gift of love and light. Let the others see that you have it in you. You just need to bring it out. आप किसी चीज से डर रहे हैं, shed away your self doubts. Naina, you need to give Jasmine Chanda's number, last digit. sorry Mehak, if I missed you. Aman 3, I think I gave this reading for Aman 3. Kohinoor 6 for Sunaina. She has a great future ahead, a great flight. She'll just be flying. So nothing great hands. Rakhi, I think I gave you this. Okay, I missed it. Rakhi 3 for you. Rakhi, you need to use your creativity and use your power of judgment to take your decisions. Mrinalini Tandon, Mrinalini 9. Intuition. So you need to make the best of every situation. Message for you. 5 for me. Manju, आप में you are full of love. You need to spread it all around. Given for Rachit, मंजू जी मैंने अभी आपको बताया, परानिता, मृणालिनी 0 के साथ give the accompanying number also, because you're welcome. Sudeshna Banerjee 9 number and अभी 9 आपके लिए सुदेशना. सुदेशना, अभी कुछ स्ट्रेस्ड आउट फील कर रहे हो, थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ने से कुछ रोक रहा है. इज इट समथिंग दैट आपको थोड़ा सा स्टक फील कर रहे हो किसी सिचुएशन में? बिकॉज वट एवर इज, जो भी अभी आपको तंग कर रहा है, दिस इज कमिंग टू एन एंड. सो देयर आर न्यू बिगनिंग्स फॉर यू. यू नीड नॉट वरी. एंड 1 for हबी रूपविंदर. Well, he needs to celebrate the beautiful gift of life. Nothing to worry. Things are doing really well. Barinder Kaur 5 2 numbers. So बरिंदर जी, ना पास्ट का सोचिए, ना, जस्ट लिव इन प्रेजेंट फॉर द राइट फॉर दिस वेरी मोमेंट. क्योंकि ना अभी पास्ट की सामने आने दीजिए, ना फ्यूचर की. जस्ट लिव इन प्रेजेंट. दैट विल हेल्प यू इन गोइंग. अमिता मनहास, I'm sorry, it's doing. Is it कि आप बहुत ज्यादा काम कर रहे हैं अभी? ब्रेक, थोड़ा सा काम को थोड़ा सा उसको उसके स्ट्रेस, आप थोड़ा बाहर निकलिए काम के स्ट्रेस से, घर से बाहर मत निकलिए क्योंकि दैट वोंट बी पॉसिबल। एंड टेक आउट टाइम टू रेस्ट अ बिट, थोड़ा सा अपना ध्यान कहीं और भी लगाइए, थोड़ा सा अपने आप को एंटरटेन कीजिए, टाइम्स वर्क से हटाइए अपना थोड़ा सा ध्यान, बिकॉज वो आपको भी बहुत थका रहा है मेंटली। यतिन 2 phones 9 and 2. मैम इज इट दैट कि यतिन अभी थोड़ा सा अपने फ्यूचर को लेके, बिकॉज उसको आगे का नहीं सोचना, क्योंकि वो इट इज बेटर कि वो के बारे में ही कॉन्सेंट्रेट करे, क्योंकि ही विल बी पीसफुल दैट वे एंड देन थिंग्स वुड बी वेरी क्लियर फॉर हिम टू सी फॉर फ्यूचर। पर अभी वो फ्यूचर के बारे में ना सोचे, अभी सिर्फ वो प्रेजेंट में ही रहे। Sanjay Naman, but you need to give me a number, please. Seema Baba 4 for me. I think I've given you. सीमा जी, ग्रेट ब्लेसिंग्स कमिंग योर वे। बस खुले हाथ से, ओपन आर्म से उसको रिसीव कीजिए और ना पीछे का सोचिए, बस इसे ओपन आर्म से अच्छे से एम्ब्रेस कीजिए, इसे रिसीव कीजिए। राखी बाबा टेक बी 4। टेक बी जी, आपकी लाइफ में न्यू इज कमिंग। इज देयर एनी बडी इन द फैमिली एक्सपेक्टिंग अ चाइल्ड और समथिंग? Because I can see something new coming which will be bringing joy and happiness to everybody in the family. Maybe some new project or some new job or some new proposal, something like that. Friends, please stay with me, because at the end we would be doing a small and a beautiful meditation. Ayushman, my son, 3. Is it that Ayushman is planning to do something in some, he's planning to do because he's gifted, he's God gifted that artistic thing in him. Is he planning to do something in that? He would get great results. Just 4. Something new is coming in your life. Something new is there's a new beginning. Of course, complete your family. Is it something to do with your, are you planning something of that sort? Because there is, I can see something new coming in your life which would bring lots of joy. sorry, this is going really fast. Vandana, I'm sorry. Jyotsna GB, Puneet 5. ज्योत्सना जी, ऐसा कुछ होता है कि जो काम वो शुरू करते हैं, थोड़ा सा एट द एंड ऑफ दैट कंप्लीशन थोड़ा सा अपना इंटरेस्ट थोड़ा सा उनका कम हो जाता है, तो एक बार ये देख लीजिए, बिकॉज अगर वो अपना 100% उसको देते हैं तो ही विल बी गेटिंग ग्रेट 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 रिवॉर्ड्स। मंजू करकी 8 फॉर माई हस्बैंड। मंजू जी, आपको अपने हस्बैंड का एक बार नाम भी प्लीज लिख लीजिए। सीमा मनन 4। मनन की लाइफ में सीमा, आई कैन सी स्टेबिलिटी कमिंग एंड डिसिप्लिन ऑल्सो, सो दैट्स something great. He will be all the more disciplined is coming in his life. Seema ji, I think I'm sorry. Sekri Preeti 5 for me. Sekri ji, is your way. अपनी मन में से कोई अगर गिल्ट्स हैं, कुछ गलतियां हुई हैं आपसे इन द पास्ट, तो उनको निकाल दीजिए, बिकॉज दोज मिस्टेक्स हैव मेड यू ऑल द मोर। थैंक गॉड फॉर दोज मिस्टेक्स। अगर वो आपकी लाइफ में हुई भी हैं तो दे हैव लेफ्ट यू विद मोर। सो अब आप उस विजडम पे से ही बेस्ड अपने अगले डिसीजंस लीजिए, एंड देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ ब्लेसिंग्स। Naman 6. Ruchi ma'am, this is for you. मैम, नमन की लाइफ घर में आ रही है, क्या वो घर का कुछ नया प्लान कर रहे हैं, कुछ घर शिफ्ट करने की सोच रहे हैं? Is it something new member coming in the family? Because I can see he needs to just embrace that. Blessings on his way. It's 6. Amit, God is there to lead. You just have to trust him. You just have to have faith in him. Nothing will go wrong. Times are. Mamta Srivastav 2 for me. ममता, अपने अंदर की इंट्यूशन को जगाओ. Be the love you wish to receive. It's a beautiful message. Seema Baba, Ruchika 2. रुचिका जी, सीमा बाबा जी, रुचिका जी के लिए जो आपने कहा कार्ड निकालने को कहा है, इस लाइक कि इस समवेयर, क्या उनके लिए मतलब कुछ प्रॉब्लम है या समथिंग, इज शी फीलिंग स्टक समवेयर? अभी हम जब लाइफ में आगे नहीं बढ़ पाते तो इट इज बेटर टू टेक 2 steps बैक, बिकॉज हम फिर उस प्रॉब्लम को एक बेटर एंगल से, एक बेटर पर्सपेक्टिव से देख पाते हैं, एंड देन इट इज इजियर फॉर अस टू लुक फॉर द सॉल्यूशंस. Lot more easier. Ruchika ji, Abha 1. So this is for Abha. Abha, you have the leadership qualities. आपको किस चीज से डर लगता है? Have it in you. आपको बस आगे बढ़ना है, and you have the potential within you. बस बिना डरे आगे बढ़िए. Shed your self doubts. और अपने कॉन्फिडेंस को जगाओ और आगे बढ़ो. People, stay with me because I'll be guiding you with a small meditation in another 10 minutes. I can see Harjeet, Gurpal 4 and my 3. Okay, Harjeet ji आपका 3. Harjeet ji, is it like आप थोड़ा सा लाइफ की impatient हो रहे हैं? You need to be little more patient and see everything through the eyes of love, because जब हम देखने का हम थोड़ा सा अपना एंगल चेंज करते हैं तो things become all the more clearer. अभी just try to see everything through the eyes of love. Nishu Sharma, my daughter Anya 9. निशु जी, is it like वो थोड़ी सी इस टाइम पे overwhelmed फील कर रही हैं इस टाइम पे? So you need to connect more with water. You can ask her to take sea salt bath, or sit in 10 minutes in silence and play some sound of some moving flowing water for 10 minutes. If she can sit with that, that would be of great help. Rachna Chawla Suri or 6. Okay. Healer, I can see there's a healer in you, because when people connect with you, they feel that warmth from you. So you need to you're doing just अच्छा कर रहे हैं. You are healing people. That's very good. Zero for me, Mrinali. I told you कि zero के साथ जो भी accompanying number है, please write that, because zero पे it will not be possible. आप उसके साथ का उसका accompanying number लिखिए please. Minakshi Garg, 2 for me. You're looking for some peace, and एक दिन के लिए अपने आप को डिटॉक्स कीजिए. सोशल मीडिया, ऑफ योर सोशल मीडिया, फोन को एक दिन के लिए बंद कर दीजिए. whatever you are looking, whatever answers you are looking in for, you will get them soon. बट एक दिन के लिए अपने आप को सोशल मीडिया और फोन से डिटॉक्स कीजिए. I can see this same names coming. Pooja, 1 for me please. Pooja, life is not that difficult. You are actually a leader. You have the capabilities. You are an action taker actually. So अपनी लाइफ की just साइड पे रखो and move ahead, because जो ये प्लान किया है, you just keep focused on that goal, you will get the results. Naisa, if you could just write your number. Hello. Friends, me to take your leave, but before that, as I promised, be guiding you to a small meditation, and all those people who have not got their answers, I'll be answering them in the comment box later on, so need not worry. And can I request all of you to close your eyes and sit quietly for this small meditation. Please close your eyes, everybody. I'll be answering. I promise I'll answer all the queries. I'll give the answers in the comment box later on. But now I need to before leaving. So if you could just people just close your eyes, sit quietly, keep your spine straight, and take deep breaths. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, out. I ask you to sit down. Mobile numbers in the mind. Hold the number where it comes as a thought in front of you. As abundance, you can hold it as money or relationship or whatever you desire. Number going around you in circles. The circle expands. It has multiple colors. What color is coming in front of you? Receive the color with open arms. Say, I now choose to make this number work for me, work for my higher self. This number will now own happiness, prosperity, and fame. Now, like my phone loves me and I love my phone, or my phone is blessed with infinite blessings. And now see that Archangel Metatron, angel of music, he's coming from above and blessing the gadget. He's handing you receive the gadget. Receive the first call you want. Anybody. Make it to your higher self. Tell him, thank you for blessing me with this session and receive gifts. With this, thank you. people over here. Lastly, when I'm signing off, to take the blessings of Archangel Metatron. Buddha bless. Arvinda for you.